G'day, Shane from Shane's Shed here. Today I'm going to do a vehicle rundown of my 1989 Chevrolet Suburban. I've had this since late 2018. Bought it pretty much sight unseen from Queensland. Got it trucked over and now I'm going to show it to you guys. So at the front here, got an aftermarket sort of chrome grille. We're running these wheels here. I'm not too sure what brand they are, but they're a 20 by 10 inch. I quite like the look of them on the Suburban. For all you American viewers, this has actually been converted to right-hand drive. As you can see, steering wheel on the wrong side or the right side. Externally, really, apart from the grille, the wheels and the side steps, it's pretty well factory. And driveline wise, pretty well a stock 454 big block, followed by a turbo 400 and a jam 14 bolt up the back end. It's pretty messy in here at the moment. I do want to have a bit of a neaten up, especially all that wiring at the firewall. I do want to clear all that up, make it a bit neater. So stock, these 454s were about 230 horsepower. This one's all the factory TBI unit. It's a pretty crude fuel injection. It's just a throttle body with two big injectors sitting on top of it. It's basically a glorified carburetor, really. But yeah, like I said, pretty low horsepower figures for, you know, like a 7.4 litre engine. So eventually I wouldn't mind throwing some new heads on it, new intake, probably update the injection system, new cam, make it breathe a bit easier, basically a decent top end. And you know, I don't think 400 horsepower is probably plenty for this. And that 400 horsepower would do quite well as a street engine, I think, anyway. I mean, this is air conditioning when it's working. Cruise control, vacuum modulator there, you can probably see. So all factory cruise control. I said, it's a bit of a mess under here, but like I said earlier, I've got plans to clean it up. It won't happen overnight. It'll just be a slow process, doing bit by bit, which I'll hope to film it and keep you guys in the loop as I do things. Here's the real interesting bit for the US people. Steering wheel on the other side. So this has been imported into Australia. It's been locally converted to right-hand drive. There's a few little things that aren't really well done, I guess you could say, but generally it's not too bad. I do want to change all the instrument cluster setup. Obviously we've just got the fuel. There was an optional tacho here. This one doesn't have one, so I would like a tacho, so I want to change this cluster. I'm probably looking at a Dakota Digital or something along that line. Both the driver and passenger seat both have these captain's chairs armrests. This is just a super comfortable cruising rig. You know, you can just drive all day and just stay really comfortable, especially on the open highway. I love it. Got lots of storage in there. Got these. I think it's pretty cool. These soft pockets in the door. Overhead console, all factory stuff. Kind of useless though, really, I think. But got these little pockets here, there and there. Plenty of map reading lights. As is got third row seating in here. The colour trim is obviously, this seat is not from this vehicle, so I do want to change that out, or at least retrim it so it matches everything else. Probably retrim the rest of the interior at the same time, I think. But yeah, air conditioning unit at the back. Air conditioning doesn't work at the moment. I need to fix a line and regas it. If anyone in Perth's willing to help out for that, give me a shout out as well. So one good thing I love about this is even with the third row of seats in, there is still a massive amount of storage space in the back. Well, that's a spare tyre sitting there, so that gives you an idea of how much space is in the back here. And with those that rear seat pulled out, the second row folded down, there is an absolutely massive amount of storage space in this truck. I'm not actually 100% sure on what colour blue this is, so if anybody can tell me, throw it up in the comment section. Also, it's been lowered, I haven't done it. I'm not too sure how much that's been lowered, but if anybody has got any dimensions that I can measure to give me an idea, then whack that in the comment section below. Standard tailgate rear. I guess at one point the rear indicators have been added in. They pretty well butchered the rear bar, so I eventually want to replace that and turn it back to the stock brake light indicator set up the way it's supposed to be. So yeah guys, that's pretty much a wrap for my Suburban. If you'd like to see more of my videos, then don't forget to like and subscribe. Throw a comment below if you've got something to say about this big girl. Yeah, especially some of the points I've made out during the video. Love to hear from you guys. Alright, take it easy. See you next time.